So right now we are gonna create a role, and to do that we are still working on IAM. So make sure you are in the IAM section. You can search for it here, and as you can see, IAM. And to create a role, what you want to do now is you see role on the sidebar here, so make sure you click on roles. And just to remind you, you might be thinking, why are we assigning a role instead of a policy? You know, a policy is just like a combination of permissions, right? And we can assign it to an IAM user, or we can also assign it to any service, right? But while we also creating a role, and just to simplify this one more time, not every user or service can access everything in AWS by default. So you need to give it a policy, right? You know, we've talked about policy and permission. So this access must be explicitly allowed, okay? But in AWS, nothing can access anything unless you allow it, and access is locked by default. You must unlock it with permissions or policies, right? You know, a permission is just a single rule, and a policy is a combination of permissions, right? Now, the reason why we don't want to use policy, or we don't want to assign a policy to what we want to do now, the reason why we use a role is because a role is just temporary, right? And a policy is like, you know, assigning a permanent rule, okay? But a role is just a way to use those rules without giving permanent access, right? It's just like saying you should be maybe you should be a billionaire for a day, right? So I'm just giving you that role for a day, right? Or if I said be a billionaire, I mean, I'm just like giving you a permanent access then. Or be a king, you are the king. You know, if you're gonna be the king, you are going to be the king for a long time, right? That's like a policy, right? But if I say be the king for a day, that's like me giving you a role for a certain period of time, right? And that's why we want to create a role by simply clicking on role. Mind you, this is going to be done on your not on your root user account, and I'm actually using my root user account. I shouldn't be I mean, we should be using our root user account, by the way. Okay, you can also use your IAM account, but I'm using my root user account right now. So to create a role, what you want to do is to click on create role at the top right corner there, and you can create a role for an AWS service, an AWS account, and so on and so forth, right? So I want to create a role for an AWS service, okay? Specifically for EC2. We'll talk about EC2 in the upcoming section, okay, but just, you know, follow me. And then when you open up this use case here, okay, you can now simply select the which service you want to create the role for. And I want to create it for EC2. You can see these are the commonly used scenarios or services you can create a role for. So I'm just gonna click on EC2. Okay, and when you click on EC2, just scroll down and then click next at the bottom right corner. Okay, so when you create a role, then you can give this permission this role a policy. All right, so the policy I just want to give it, for example, is the IAM read only access. So IAM read okay, so I'm just typing IAM read and then it shows up. So I'm just gonna check it, and then I'm just gonna click next. Okay, so you can now give the role a name so that you know your own role name, because there are other roles in AWS. So I can just name this role like maybe sample role for EC2. Okay, so like this. Good, you can add a description, but that's enough. All right, so I'm just gonna, and this is like the JSON code here in this case. You don't even need to worry about that. Okay, so when I scroll down, then click on create role at the bottom right corner there. Okay, and then our role is simply created right away. Okay, so that's just it now. So if we look at it now, you see the role we just created here, sample role for EC2. All right, so that's how to create a role. We are not using it for anything right now. When we get deeper, we'll come back to this role. Just make sure you remember that we created a role called sample role for EC2.